What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, it's been a long time, man. You guys know all of the bikes are in the shop right now. The 2020 is at Harley, scheduled for a dyno tune right now. It's got a new clutch, cam plate, and some more other stuff, some more other goodies on that thing, man. We want that thing to run good and smooth on that dyno. We don't want to have no altercations or nothing, so everything is checked out on that thing. As for the green one, man, I'm sure it should be about done now, but we don't have time to wait for that. Gotta keep the show on the road, man. All the navy blue suede hats are shipped out, man. So if you cop one of these, man, be sure to look out for your mailman, because he got your Everything's Regular hat in the mail, man. As for the camo ones, man, them things are up next to be shipped out. Should be here in a couple days or so, man. So stay tuned for that. As for today, man, we done already loaded up the truck, man. It's time to go pick up another bike, man. Yes, you guys see the title, man. It's time to go pick up a 2018 Road King from the auction, man. Can't wait to see what it's like. I already seen it run and drive, so you guys already know what the plan is. We got the wrap in the bag. We got it all loaded up, man. Gotta go gas up, then we'll hit the road, man. You guys remember when we got our first inmate, man? We slid up to Portland and we took that backway road all the way up through Nevada. Yes, we're on that same road today because we are headed all the way up to Reno, Nevada to go pick this bike up, man. So hopefully we can get there in time before they close and then fish our way on back, man. So with that being said, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's get right into it now, shall we? Alrighty, man, y'all know what time it is. I kind of gassed up yesterday, so we basically just topping off, but truck is dirty as heck, but I don't got time. We got 7 hours, and I think they stopped loading at like 4:35 or something. I don't know. So we're gonna try to hurry up and get out there, man. We'll see what's up. Alrighty, man, we are on the road, gassed up, everything ready to go. You guys remember these 100 mile an hour, these 100 mile stints. Each like gas station is 100 miles apart, man. So better fill up each way, because if you miss one, you're gonna be SOL for another 100 miles, man. So we out here. You guys remember this is where I got my last 2 tickets, man. So we gonna try to take it easy the whole way. I thought it was like 7 hours, so we already killed pretty much an hour. So I'm just gonna cruise. I'm not really gonna do too much, man. We just gonna get it in. But without further ado, man, check out some of this scenery of this dirt and desert, man. Guys, we got our first stop here. Looks like they're blocking the road again, exactly where they blocked it last time. Still haven't finished up what needed to be done, but we here waiting, man, with everybody else. Alrighty, guys, first gas stop. We are just about half a tank, a little less than halfway there. And we're in like Tonopah or whatever. But about to gas up, get back on the road. It's freaking freezing and windy out here. 2 bad combinations I don't want to deal with, man. So I'm in a truck with it while the gas fill up, dog. Alrighty, guys, we have pretty much made it in the middle of nowhere. It's literally like 2 mountains and a whole bunch of like little warehouses in the middle, but no signs of life. We got horses over here crossing the road. guys can see them things or not, but they literally crossing the road. That's nuts. That's crazy. They just chilling. They on the set. Alrighty, guys, we have made it to the auction IAAI. We are here, checked in, ready to go. They say our loader has about a 15-minute break left, so he's on lunch right now. So that gives us just enough time to chillax, regroup our whoop, and get ready to dip up out of here, man. We got to get the truck set up, but that's no big deal. We out here. This is pretty much like not the main location. This is like a sublot location, so literally in the middle of nowhere. Mountain on this side, another mountain on that side, literally like one street through the middle, and like maybe 4 or 5 warehouses in between here. But all in all, looks pretty cool, pretty chill, not too busy here today. So we're gonna get this thing loaded up and get up out of here, dog. Yeah.
Good for you. I quit riding last year.
Yeah? Why you stop riding, man?
Hell, I rode over 30,000 miles on one.
Oh, damn.
My son and I,
yeah,
2008, went to Daytona Beach from Reno, Nevada.
Oh, wow.
We rode 6,300 miles down there and back.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Time of my life.
So Daytona's really cool then?
It is. There's so many people, it's crazy.
Yeah?
Everybody.
No, it's all good.
Everybody from the East Coast trailers in because the weather's always bad up there.
Right. Alrighty, guys. So this one is a little bit different today. It's parked in the shed right here. So he's just had to pull over here so we can load it up a little bit better. So we're gonna try to see if we can check it out, set you guys up, and get it going. Yo, how you doing, bro?
All right.
Yes, sir, man. This thing is dirty as heck. Oh my God, this one's gonna be a fun one to clean. Here we have it, guys. 2018 Road King 107 Milwaukee 8. Does have a 114 on this side, but the other side says 107 Battle Barn Harley Davidsons. But pretty nice looking bike here. Looks like we have some damage to the saddlebag here. No big deal there. We already got a set of those at the house. The gas tank does look a little whooped. No big deal. No power at all. Got to see if we can find the key before we leave. But all in all, pretty fair little bike. Doesn't have the fender. I don't see anything. It doesn't look like the forks or nothing like that is bent. It does have these T-bars on there. So we'd have to loosen up this handlebar, not the handlebar, but the brakes and the clutches to get them things to sit right again. But no big deal, man. Looks pretty clean for what it is. Can't wait to clean this thing up and get it off the truck, man. I'm about to strap this thing up so we can get back on the road though. Alrighty, guys, we got this thing strapped up, loaded up, ready to go. Got here in the nick of time. Now it's time to hurry up and hit the road, man, before it get too dark out here in the middle of nowhere. But y'all see it here first. It's dusty as heck. And we found the keys in the bag. So we got the keys for it. So that's a plus. But it just looks like a saddlebag. And other than that, I mean, so far so good. It's got the T-bars on there, man. But we're going to check it out more when we get to the crib, man. So let's go ahead and dip. Looks good, though, man. So it looks like the saddlebag is broke over here. But other than that, it should be pretty good there, man. Yeah, I just put the key in the truck. Yeah. So I lucked up with that, man.
Didn't do anything to the frame, did it?
Yeah, it looks pretty intact to me, man.
Yeah.
The forks look pretty straight, not like crooked or nothing, so. Just trying to see what else is.
You'll have this thing on the road in a week, huh?
Oh, man, I was trying tomorrow.
There you go.
Oh, man. Where you headed after this?
Home. I live here in Reno.
Oh, okay, you lucked up, man. I got a 6-hour drive ahead of me, man. Alrighty, guys, we have finally made it back to the crib, literally right when the sun went down, man. So we're gonna have to tackle this. Man, in the morning. But cool little drive. This thing is looking pretty good for the most part, man. We'll have to check this thing out in the morning. Freaking whooped, to be honest with you, dog. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We headed all the way up to Reno, Nevada, man, in the desert, in the middle of nowhere, literally, to pick up this bike, man. It's 2018 Road King, man. I can't wait to get this thing together, man. I plan on painting it, getting some nice set of wheels for it. Like, you guys seen the last set of wheels we put on, like, the last 5 bikes, man. It's time to switch it up, get a different design, get a different color flow going, man. So can't wait to get that thing back and looking good again, man. So, man, make sure y'all stay tuned for tomorrow's video, man. We're gonna get that thing cleaned up, check it out a little bit more, and looking good, man. I can't wait. And we can actually get a closer look at what's going on with it, seeing like if it actually is anything wrong with it, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. I'll have to catch you guys in the morning, dog.